MultiplEYE, a new sensor for future mobility. We introduce a sensor that uses only 4 wide-angle lens cameras and can be mounted anywhere on robots. Look how MultiplEYE realizes its technology through robot delivery. Our sensor helps the robot plan a route to deliver the food. MultiplEYE estimates its movement on a 3D map and the robot moves towards the door. High quality, high resolution, 360-degree depth sensing enables the robot to detect and avoid obstacles in all directions. And the price is naturally cheaper than LiDARs since it only uses 4 cameras. In the outdoors, the robot can recognize its precise location real time by matching visual features with the MultiplEYE's 3D map. Our sensors can be used in various mobility environments and can build 3D maps of very large areas fast and easily. All these functions are accomplished through only 4 cameras and 1 AI processing unit. Now, let's take a look at the real examples. MultiplEYE produces high-quality 360-degree depth estimates in a much higher resolution than LiDAR sensors. With advanced visual SLAM technology, it is possible to estimate 3D motion real time and to build the 3D map. Also, the 3D map is used to compute the exact position from an image both indoors and outdoors. All in one sensor for future mobility. MultiplEYE.